He's an honest man, but above all, he's very fair in what he thinks and what he does. There will be more brilliant surgeons, I'm sure. There will be surgeons who are more gifted than him. But I think there will not be another person who is as devoted to the patients as he is, and who feels as much for the patients as he does. So Alok, it has been an absolute pleasure to work with you, to work with your team, and may the future bring you all the happiness that you want and everything else that your heart desires.
He is a very knowledgeable person but doesn't believe in theory too much. I trust his instincts a lot because he makes these decisions. Highly skilled surgeon and he does a lot of innovative things. He's a very good person for us to look up and learn a lot of new things. I wish him all the best. Thank you.
He's always been like this, spreading fun and laughter wherever he is, treating young, the old, rich, poor, juniors, seniors, everybody alike. He has a word of encouragement for everyone who comes his way. But behind that jolly facade is a surgeon who is extremely serious about his work, is totally devoted to patient care and is intolerant of mistakes which could affect patient care. Combination of empathy and perfection in his work. So Alok, I do hope you continue to be in neurosurgery, continue to do well for your patients and for the hospital.
He is a team person and he is a very dynamic leader, and in fact this is one of the first neurosurgical groups in the city, state and probably the country which he has started. Very affable person and he makes friends very easily, and not only that, he is a very loyal friend. In fact, he goes out of his way to help people. I have learnt a lot from Alok, neurosurgical and otherwise also. Other thing which we all, at least I take a lot of inspiration from, is the way he has been an exemplary son to both his parents and the way he's looked after both of them. And I think that he must be lauded for that.
He's a very dynamic personality, and of all the qualities which people admire him for, both in the Apollo family as well as in the neurosurgical community, I admire him most for his ability to foresee things or anticipate problems even before they occur and act in time. I wish he continues to inspire young neurosurgeons like me.
My recovery started after the surgery he had done, and from then I was given the title of Dr. Alok Ranjan's Miracle Boy, because my presence here truly is a miracle. Also, I would like to emphasize on his follow-up. It is said that normally no neurosurgeon is ever seen after the surgery, but every week he checks on me, which is almost never with everyone else. I would like to end by thanking Dr. Alok Ranjan for everything that he has done, and I will always remember and I will always be there to do something for him. Thank you so much.
He's got a great sense of humor. Beneath that exterior that most of us see, he's a sweet and lovely human being. By dint of working beside him for so many years, he's almost attained guardianship status for me. So I go to him with my personal problems. He's always there to lend a ear. It may look like he's a very burlesque and a very fast-moving person, but I guess that's what you have to be when you have to drive a team. He's a great man to admire. He's a great man who inspires, and I'm lucky and I'm honored to be here talking about him today. Thank you.
Dr. Alok Ranjan, I know him as my classmate in Science College, Patna. Professionally, he's very competent doctor. So I have seen him for last quite a few years. He's never after money. As a friend, he is one of the best to have. I'm really privileged to have a friend like Dr. Alok Ranjan.
Paranoid about the patient care. Nothing should happen to the patient. That's what his motto. He feels that patient should get the deserved care. That's what he feels. I wish him good luck and long, healthy professional years ahead.
I have an opportunity to work with Alok sir since last 6 years, since I joined in this organization. We as a unit draw inspiration from only one person, that is Alok sir. That's all I can say about him.
He's a person who believes in teamwork basically, and he gives importance to each and every team member of different professions. I could say is I'm very glad to have the opportunity to work with him, with such an experienced professional and a very good human being.
I am very happy to say that I am in Dr. Alok Ranjan's team. I wish him all the best for his future.
Dr. Alok Ranjan. I was the hostel warden at CMC Vellore when Dr. Alok Ranjan was one of the inmates. I would not like to say too much about his antics in those days, but I would reserve myself in speaking about his academic and surgical expertise. His surgical prowess is very well known in the field of both brain and spinal surgery, and also in pediatric neurosurgery. I wish him all the very best.
He's a kind of mentor, not only for me, but for many others in this organization who want to do more and more. Dr. Alok Ranjan has an ability to take his people, his friends, his colleagues, his juniors along with him in whatever he does. Having known Dr. Alok and his family, I know for sure that he's a loving husband and a very doting father to Astha. I wish Dr. Alok and his family many more years of happiness, togetherness and fulfillment, and especially to Astha, may all your dreams come true, beta.
So I was his student, his first DNB candidate over here. He's a very good teacher, especially during the surgical techniques. It's pleasure working with him.
Two things I have learned from him over these years is, one, patient-centric approach, and two, retrospective thinking on whatever we do. I think he's an ocean and a lot of things to learn from, but this short association may not be enough to know him completely. I wish to work him with longer and wish him all the best in his future endeavors.
నేను చాలా గర్వంగా ఫీల్ అవుతాను. డాక్టర్ అలోక్ రంజన్ సార్ మమ్మల్ని సొంత ఫ్యామిలీ మెంబర్గా గుర్తిస్తారు. అతని టీంలో పనిచేయటం మా అదృష్టంగా అనుకుంటాను. అతను ఎప్పుడూ సుఖ సంతోషాలతో ఉండాలని దేవుని కోరుకుంటున్నాను.
The thing I like about him the most is he's very hardworking and very passionate about what he does. Very fun. He's very fun-loving, and I enjoy spending time with him. He treats all his patients as if they're his own family members, and enjoys interacting with them.
So as my daughter said that he's very passionate and he likes his patient like a family member. That's very true. All human being is equal in his life, whether they belongs to a very rich or poor or whatever. He treat them in equal manner. I have not found a better human being than him in my life so far. He's a strength for us, not for me and my daughter, but the whole family. And I'm sure people who are working under him,
they feel the same way.